section to Bhairavi, which is on Assam Mizoram border. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in September last year, and it has proved to be a boon. So, Honorable Prime Minister wants each and every state to be connected by the rail network, but this has to be done with the help of the local population. So, the moment we feel that the local population is up for it, you will get it. We are more than willing. There are just three states in the northeast where there is no rail connectivity, but it has to be with the help of the common people, of the local people.
And we feel, I feel your pain when you ask this question. It's so important that people of Meghalaya get something as basic as that. But I think the work has begun, and this is a very important, integral part of the central government's vision and Prime Minister's vision. And I think the work has begun. So we will ensure that it's implemented, and we really hope that all the states are connected, and also intrastate connectivity is there. So we are completely dedicated and committed to it.
So now speaking, so like this one leakage can only be minimized, or however, it will affect the temperature. So what mechanism have to develop, or it will be developed that there's no leakage at all?
There's no leakage at all. As I said, increasingly we are using technology to check, plug the leakages. So a day will come when there will be complete, the leakages will stop completely. But we are working in that direction. You would agree that leakages which were there earlier, on the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi used to say that we give 100 rupees to the state and only 15% of it reaches the. So he was lamenting about the leakages. The leakages have, I'm not saying they have gone completely or they have disappeared completely, but with the help of DBT, you know, funds which are allocated, they are reaching the people directly without any paisa being pilfered in between. So I'm sure, धीरे धीरे with the use of technology, uh, in the days to come, this will go away completely. But someday, sure, I'm sure, and we would work in that area.
I want to just finish answering your question. Like Devesh Bhai said, so 2014, if you remember, the idea of Jan Dhan Yojana, what was that idea? That the poor are in